Hi everyone, my name is Brian. I'm going to talk about my ideal job. Well, let's start with the presentation. Well, first one, a little introduction. Well, as a biotechnology student, I'm usually related with work with plants, animals, or even human beings. Nowadays, viral diseases have increased substantially. This is due to, according to Gerald Karp, a recognized scientist, this is due to two factors, to mainly to two factors. The first one, the climate change, and the second one is the adaptability of viruses. Well, I have sore throat, but I will continue. Um, Thinking about my ideal job, it was very interesting. I would like to work in a secluded place. Some of these can only be accessed by helicopter. The laboratories where viruses are studied are classified from level 1 to level 4. I will share you my dream. I would like to work in a level 4 laboratories that are currently being built in 3 countries: China, United Kingdom, and Brazil. An example of this type of laboratory is the Wuhan. It is located in China, and it will be inaugurated in 2028. And you will ask me, Brian, what are you going to do in a biosafety laboratory, level 4 laboratory? Well, in a level 4 laboratory, the most dangerous pathogens are investigated, and for which there is no cure. It is a place of work where only researchers with the best experience can enter. The suits are disposable and have a connection to clean oxygen. As you can see in the presentation, in their backs, you can see the connection to clean oxygens. All work is carried in a laminar flow hoods. Here I am. These are the laminar flow hoods. Well, workers have to take disinfectant showers before and after entering, and they cannot have direct contact with any object while they are working. And here you can see how they are taking disinfectant showers. Well, according to the American Society for Microbiology, in recent years, these type of laboratories have developed 2/3 of vaccines used for the treatment of viral diseases such as AIDS, Ebola, or Marburg. And you know that these are diseases from viral diseases. The word develop is as important for medicine as doctors are. Well, in my case, in South America, the best laboratory of this type it is at the University of Sao Paulo. I would like to work there. I'm currently studying Portuguese, and in my university, at San Francisco University, scholarship programs are offered. There are only 4 places. It is amazing. And there are many applicants. If I am accepted, I will make the most of that opportunity. I will study for 6 years, I think. With luck, I will get back to my country, and I will get back for 2 reasons. The first one is to implement my knowledge to the universities, and the second is it's a personal reason because I love helping people. It's amazing. I love it, and it could be the summit of my career. Well, I understand that working with viruses is for many people it can be a very dangerous job, but I will take the risk. I consider myself as a determined, decisive, ambitious, risk person. At first, I remember. At first, I want to study forensic genetics, but I gave up that idea because there are no many places, there are no many job places to where I could work. That's why I start to study biology. These are some pictures that you can imagine what is the work with viruses or working with viruses. And that's all. Thank you.